Hey my beautifuls, welcome to my channel. So today I am showing the most classic black smoky eye with a touch of glitter. So I hope you like the video, watch till the end, and you will see how I achieve this beautiful look. So keep on watching. So first of all, already make the eyebrows with my Benefit Cosmetics, precisely my brow pencil in shade 3.5 medium brown, and now I'm using the Huda Beauty color corrector in shade peach to highlight my discoloration. Then I am using the NARS concealer, Radiant Cream Concealer in shade M0 Crema Catalana. And then I just dab the and set the my eyelids. Then I'm using the Annabelle 73 Black Noir of black eyeliner pencil. You can use gel pencil or you can use any black shadow you want. Then I'm blending really like I don't need a harsh line. Then I'm using the Makeup by Mario uh, metallic matte eyeshadow palette and using the most darkest eyeshadow palette from the palette. And then I apply on top of the eye pencil I did earlier. So just using the on my lid, I don't go to the my upper crease, just so my the harsh line will be blending. So now I'm using the same palette, the brown shade, taking the brown and using the small fluffy brush to blend all together like black and browns, so the two shades don't look like there's no line between. So just using the brush and blending out. Then I'm using the brown shade to blend all my shades here. Then I'm using the Stella Cosmetics in shade Diamond Dust. Just apply on my eyelids to make it my look more pop size. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics H2O black eyeliner and just apply on my lash line. Just don't make a bold eyeliner, just give me just a simple line. Then I'm using the lash line, oh sorry, lash mascara in Essence Mascara like a boss. I already applied my fake lashes from Kiss Products. Then I'm using the same pencil from Annabelle just to apply on my light waterline, and just make done my makeup. I apply She Glam blush, She Glam liquid highlighter, and apply my Essence nude highlighter. Apply on my inner corner, and all my makeup is ready to go, set to go. It is very natural and very classic everyday. Like if you go out for the date night, girls night out, all the night party makeup look I create. And I hope you like this tutorial. Please give video a big thumbs up. Comment down below how you like it, what and makeup look you want to see to send that I will try to create. And I don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I see you in another tutorial. Till then, take care and bye.